First, we will create a new composition. Name the composition as slider, set the resolution as 720 by 720 pixels, duration as 30 seconds and click OK. Select all your photos, drag and drop into new composition. While all layers are selected, right-click, select Transform and click Fit to Comp Width. Now, all the photos are resized to fit the composition width. To align the photos easily, I will use Layers2Grid Script. You can find the link in description. While all the layers are selected, go to File, Scripts, and click Layers2Grid.jsx. Click No in the alert box, set 1 as number of columns and 0 as space between layers. Make sure all the layers are selected. Right-click on the layers. Click Precompose. Name it Pics, leave the rest as it is and click OK. Now, we need to set the new composition height to total height of photos. Right-click on the pics, click Composition Settings. Click Height. Add asterisk and number of your photos. Then click OK. Align the photos to fit in the pics composition. Go to Slider Composition. Align the first photo to fit in the composition. Now, go to Effects and Presets panel, type Motion Tile. If you don't have it, click Window from the menu bar and make sure there is a check mark before Effects and Presets. Drag and drop the Motion Tile effect to the layer. Make sure it is at the first frame. Click on stopwatch icon before tile center. Move the time indicator to 5 seconds. Click on the arrow before Effects, then Motion Tile. Click on the dot icon to set keyframe. Click on Y-axis of the tile center and add a minus sign before it. This will make all the photos slide upwards once and return to their initial positions. Now, holding Alt key, right-click on the stopwatch icon to add an expression for it. Type loopout. This will make the part between two keyframes repeat till the end of the work area. Let's play it. If it loops fast, you can change the speed by changing the position of the second keyframe. Move the indicator to 10 seconds. Hold the second frame and move it to 10 seconds while holding Shift key. Let's play again. If it is still fast, set it to 15 seconds. That's it. Thanks for watching.